Well, tell us about the gun auction.
Well, these are
What if people want to see what they look like? What can they type into their phone?
thetruthaboutconservation.com.
Oh, just to see the actual things.
Yeah.
Okay.
See the guns.
All right.
Yeah.
The truthaboutconservation.com. So as Will's talking, since you probably have your phone with you, truthaboutconservation.com, then in the gun auction, you can behold the Purdey shotguns that Will now explain the history of and what's happening with them.